Hello again. Today we are talking about properties of logarithms. There's three properties that I want to talk about today. First is the product property. Next is the quotient property. And finally is the power property. And these are all properties of logarithms, okay? For the product property, we're going to say that log base b of mn is equal to log base b of m plus log base b of n. For the quotient property, we'll say that log base b of m over n is equal to log base b of m minus log base b of n. And for the power property, we'll say that log base b of m to the n power is equal to n times log base b of m. And for all these properties, b, m, and n have to all be positive, and b cannot equal 1. As long as all your values satisfy those requirements, you can use these properties. So let's use log base 5 of 3 is approximately 0.683, and log base 5 of 4 is approximately 0.861. And what we're going to do is we're going to use these values to find the value of the expression. So what if I want to know log base 5 of 3/4? Which property would we use to do this? Well, I notice that there is a division problem here, so I'm going to see that it is a quotient. So we are going to use the quotient property of logarithms. So this is going to equal log base 5 of 3 minus log base 5 of 4. Well, I see here that log base 5 of 3 is 0.683, and log base 5 of 4 is 0.861. So I will do 0.683 minus 0.861, which is negative 0.178. And that is the approximate value of this expression. So here I have log base 5 of 12. Well, all I have is log base 5 of 3 and log base 5 of 4. But this equals log base 5 of 3 times 4. And that's the product property. So I can rewrite this as log base 5 of 3 plus log base 5 of 4. And I have those values here. So I will plug in 0.683 plus 0.861, which is 1.544. And that's the approximate value of this expression. So here I have log base 5 of 9. And I do not have a log base 5 of 9 here. But I know that 9 is 3 squared. So I can write this as log base 5 of 3 squared. And I do have the power property, so I can take this 2 and put it out front. So now I have 2 times log base 5 of 3. So that's 2 times my 0.683, which is 1.361. 6. And that is the approximate value of this expression.